Hello everyone! Today I am drawing a beautiful house. Let's draw and paint it together. Please try to draw with me. I love drawing and painting so much. This house is going to be so colorful after the painting. It looks so beautiful. It's painting time. First with the green color. Nice. Add brown color. Gorgeous. Now add cyan color. Blue color. Orange color. Let's add lovely pink color. Sky blue color. This house is so beautiful, isn't it? Add bright yellow color. Pink color in the door. Let's finish off with red color. So colorful house. It's glitter time. Green glitter. So beautiful. Brown glitter.
Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock struck 3. Fiddly-dee, hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the
So shiny. Cyan glitter. Nice. Blue glitter. Fabulous. Orange glitter. Lovely pink glitter.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall.
Sky blue glitter.
And all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Humpty Dumpty sat on a
Yellow glitter.
Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together
Pink glitter in the door. Let's finish off with red glitter. Let's blow. Please subscribe for more easy drawing videos. See you on next video.